This is a free workout course for someone who wants to stay active and healthy after their 40s. If you work out on a regular basis in your 30s itself, then you can prevent lots of joint related issues, health concerns that can impact your quality of life. Since this is month of February, we have dedicated this month on healthy aging. And what is the best then exercises? That's why this quick exercise guide will definitely help you to work out well at comfort of your home while you prevent yourself from all the health ailments that can come in your 40s, 50s, and even in 60s. Let's get started.
The first exercise is marching in place. Marching in place is a simple yet effective exercise with numerous benefits. It enhances cardiovascular health by increasing heart rate. It improves your circulation and boosts your endurance. This is low impact movement which strengthens your legs, core, and hip flexors, promoting better health and coordination. It is an excellent way to burn calories, aiding in weight management. Ideal for all fitness levels, it can be done anywhere without any equipment. Regular practice of marching in place will help you to improve your mobility, flexibility, and posture while reducing the risk of fall when you get older. Additionally, marching in place serves as a great warm up or active break to keep your body energized throughout the day. The next exercise is gentle jogging. Gentle jogging is a low intensity cardio exercise that will boost your heart health. It will improve your circulation and enhance your lung capacity. It will strengthen the legs, core, and joints while being easier on the body than high impact running. This exercise will help burn calories, support weight management, and will increase overall endurance. Gentle jogging also promotes mental well being by releasing endorphins, reducing stress, and improving your mood. It's an excellent way to improve mobility and flexibility while being accessible to all fitness levels. Whether done indoors or outdoors, gentle jogging keeps the body active, will enhance coordination, and will serve as a great warm up or standalone workout option. Make sure to do it for at least half a minute to get maximum benefits. Next is burpees. Burpees are high intensity, full body exercise that builds strength, endurance, and cardiovascular fitness. This dynamic movement engages multiple muscle groups, including the legs, core, chest, shoulders, and arms. Burpees improve agility, coordination, and explosive power while enhancing overall endurance. They boost metabolism, making them an effective calorie burning exercise for weight management. Burpees also strengthen the heart and lungs, increasing stamina and cardiovascular health. Since they require no equipment, let's move on to the next exercise, planks. Planks are powerful, core strengthening exercise that engage multiple muscle groups, including the abs, back, shoulders, and legs. They improve posture, stability, and overall body strength while reducing the risk of back pain. Planks enhance endurance by building core resilience and promoting better balance. This isometric exercise also boosts metabolism, aiding in calorie burning even after the workout. Unlike crunches, planks are easy on the spine and joints, making them a safer alternative for core training. They require no equipment and can be done anywhere, making them a versatile addition to any fitness routine for improved strength and stability. The next one is push up. Push ups are a classic bodyweight exercise that strengthens the chest, shoulder, triceps, and core. They enhances upper body endurance while also engaging stabilizing muscles for improved posture and balance. Push-ups boost cardiovascular health, promote muscle definition, and help build functional strength for daily activities. They can be modified for all fitness level from knee push-ups to advanced variation. Deep squats are a powerful lower body exercise that will strengthen the leg, glutes, and core while improving your flexibility and mobility. By lowering the hips below parallel, they engage a wider range of muscles, enhancing balance and stability. Deep squats promote better posture, joint health, and functional strength for daily movements. They help increase lower body. Regular practice can improve the hip and ankle mobility while reducing the risk of injuries. Since they require no equipment, deep squats are an accessible and effective exercise for all fitness levels, supporting strength, flexibility, and overall body conditioning. Next comes lunges. Lunges are powerful lower body exercises that strengthen the leg, glutes, and core while improving balance and coordination. They enhance flexibility, increase joint stability, and promote better posture. Lunges engage multiple muscle groups, making them effective for building endurance and toning the lower body. They are also helpful in improving functional strength, supporting daily movements like walking and climbing stairs. This exercise boosts calorie burn, aids in weight management, and enhances athletic performance. Lunges can be modified for all fitness levels and require no equipment, making them a versatile and accessible workout for improving overall strength, stability, and mobility. And the last one is full body dynamic stretching. This is an excellent way to elongate your muscles that will help you to improve your flexibility and mobility. Unlike static stretches, dynamic movements will increase blood flow, activate multiple muscle groups, and prepare the body for physical activity. They boost coordination, balance, and range of motion while reducing the risk of injuries. Dynamic stretches also enhance athletic performance by improving muscle responsiveness and joint stability. They help loosen tight muscles, improve posture, and increase energy levels. Suitable for all fitness level, full body dynamic stretching is an effective way to enhance movement, efficiency, prevent stiffness, and overall improve an optimized workout performance.
This was a quick workout routine that you can practice at comfort of your home without burning your balance. If you like this, then make sure to hit a bell icon, put a like, and also click on the link shared below in the comment section, which will take you to our free community where you can not only get free access to a lot of workouts and exercise related videos, at the same time you get free access to a lot of workshops and webinars that we organize on a regular basis. So what are you waiting for? Come and be part of Health Q Rehab community today.